The voltage block from Malekko has cemented a place in many systems for its versatility and ease of use, offering 8 separate sequencers up to 16 steps in length, with a number of techniques for creating sequences on each channel. The module can be controlled by an external clock, by the gate bus from the Varigate 8, or by using a CV signal to control sequence position. The easiest way to sequence a channel is to route a clock to the voltage block, and simply move a slider while the system steps through its sequences. The voltage block will record and play back the position of the slider for each step instantly. Sequences can be quantized to musical scales or modes by enabling the scale button and changing the slider to a corresponding scale indicated by the step buttons. A more precise way to program each sequence is to hold a step button and set the channel slider to the desired voltage. By holding a few of the step buttons, you can test short bits of your sequence or perform alternate loop patterns. Another way to generate sequences in the voltage block is to use the random mode. By pressing Shift, we can choose to edit or randomize all or just one of our patterns. If all 8 of the first row of buttons are lit, we will be editing all of the patterns. I'll click button 1, switching the mode to focus on channel 1. Now I'll hit the random button. One fun technique I use with the random mode is to generate a sequence on a channel, and then occasionally tap the channel slider, introducing new and different step values into the pattern. The sequence tends to sound like it's evolving this way. Of course, this would work with any programmed sequence as well. Another cool function on the voltage block is the sequence direction mode. Also accessed in shift mode, sequence direction can be an interesting way to inject some life into a sequence. Voltage block even keeps track of step location, so you can play with the direction modes, and when you hit forward again, the sequence will pick up in the exact location it would have been in had the direction never been changed. This can yield some interesting results. One useful factor when working with multiple sequencers is using different clock divisions to avoid too much uniformity. What if we want to compose a 16th note arpeggiated part along with long bass notes? The divide knob offers global or independent clock division of each of the 8 channels, selectable again through the shift page. With so many modulation channels, voltage block is the perfect complement to semi-modular synths, like the Make Noise Zero Coast or the Moog Mother 32. Paired with the Varigate 8 Plus, this becomes one of the more formidable sequencing systems in Eurorack. How are you sequencing your system? Tell us about it in the comments. Thanks for watching and sharing. As always, please like, follow, and subscribe. And remember, patch smarter.